All right, guys, we're going to work on some more multiplication today. We're going to look at two specific factors today. So we're going to look at multiplying by 0 and multiplying by 1. These are the two easiest parts of multiplication, so today shouldn't be too stressful for you. So we'll start with multiplying by 0. The short answer is anything times 0 equals 0. Because what this means is I have 0 groups of 5. So if I draw an array for 0 groups of 5, there would just be nothing. Okay? Think of it as having 0 groups of pencils, right? You just don't have anything. Or if you look at it the opposite way, I have 5 groups of 0. So if I have 5 groups and I spread 0 in each one, I still am left with nothing. Okay, so anytime you have 5 times 0, it's 0. It doesn't matter what the other number is. It could be 10,000 times 0, and it's still going to be 0. Okay? So that one should be pretty simple. 0 groups of 0, anything times 0 is 0. Okay, just think of it as you don't have any groups. Have 0 groups of something. So then the other one, also easy, is times 1. And when we think of times 1, anything times 1 is going to be itself. So let's say I have 6 times 1. Well, let's draw a picture. I can either do one group with 6 in it, or I can do it the opposite way and do 6 groups with 1 in it. Okay. Either way, I'm left with 6, right? There's 6 total here. Count all these, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the easiest way is anything times 1 is itself. So these are both very, very, very simple. It's just something that you're going to get used to seeing and used to knowing. Anything times 1 is itself. Anything times 0 is 0. Okay? So your homework sheet for this is going to be pretty simple. You're just working on times 1s and times 0s. Just remember these rules. Just rules that you're always going to have in multiplication. Times 0 is 0. Times 1 is itself. So, right, if I have 10,000 times 1, it's going to equal 10,000. Okay? So take your time on this. If you have any questions, please let me know. You guys are doing a great job on this. Remember, when you're writing your answers for these multiplication problems and you have that X, you can either, if you're drawing it, you can draw it. Or if you're typing, you just put the letter X for the multiplication sign. That's all you got to do there. Okay? Nice job. Keep it up, boys.